Palladian window installation in Washington, D.C. offers a unique blend of elegance and functionality. Our expert Palladian Windows Washington contractors in D.C. specialize in custom Palladian windows, ensuring each installation meets the highest standards of quality and design. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient Palladian windows or historic Palladian windows, our team provides comprehensive Palladian window solutions tailored to your needs. Custom Palladian windows in Washington, D.C. are designed to enhance the aesthetic appeal of any property. Our Palladian window specialists in Washington, D.C. work closely with clients to create bespoke designs that reflect individual style preferences. From Palladian window frames to Palladian window glass, every element is crafted with precision and care. Palladian window replacement in Washington, D.C. is essential for maintaining the integrity and beauty of your windows. Our Palladian windows. Washington experts provide top-notch replacement services, addressing issues such as damaged frames, broken glass, and more. With our Palladian window maintenance services, you can ensure your windows remain in pristine condition for years to come. Energy-efficient Palladian windows. Washington are a popular choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. Our Palladian window upgrades in D.C. include advanced insulation techniques and materials that enhance energy efficiency without compromising on style. Discover the benefits of energy-efficient Palladian windows and enjoy a more sustainable home environment. Historic Palladian windows in Washington are a testament to timeless architectural beauty. Our Palladian window specialists in Washington, D.C. are skilled in preserving the charm of historic Palladian window architecture while incorporating modern enhancements. Trust our team for expert Palladian window consultation and restoration services. Palladian window design in D.C. is all about creating stunning visual impact. Our Palladian window contractors in D.C. are adept at designing windows that complement both traditional and contemporary architectural styles. Explore our range of Palladian window styles in D.C. and find the perfect match for your home or business. Palladian window replacement in Washington is a seamless process with our experienced team. We offer a wide selection of Palladian window options in D.C., ensuring you find the ideal replacement that meets your aesthetic and functional requirements. Our Palladian window services in Washington, D.C. guarantee satisfaction and long-lasting results. Palladian window aesthetics in D.C. are enhanced by our commitment to quality and innovation. Our Palladian window customization services in Washington, D.C. allow you to personalize every aspect of your windows, from the frame design to the glass type. Experience the latest Palladian window trends in Washington and elevate your property's curb appeal. Palladian windows. Washington features are designed to offer both beauty and practicality. Our Palladian window experts in Washington focus on creating windows that provide ample natural light, improved ventilation, and enhanced security. Learn more about the Palladian window benefits in D.C. and how they can transform your living space. Palladian window consultation in D.C. is the first step towards achieving your dream windows. Our Palladian window specialists in Washington, D.C. provide detailed consultations to understand your vision and requirements.